Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's a random video. I didn't actually plan to record today. It's why I'm looking a bit crazy, but I really wanted to record this. So I stumbled across a post on Twitter about a woman. I think the original post came from Facebook. She managed to turn her cheap, boring looking lashes into like wispy, mink looking lashes, and I had to try it out. So I bought myself some lashes. These are from Ardell. There's 4 different styles. So I'm going to try in all 4 and hopefully I get great results as well. So I also picked up these brushes from MAC. You can actually just use a mascara brush, an old mascara brush that's been washed. That would work equally well. Yeah, because there happened to be a MAC next to me, I thought I'd pick up some of these. It came with 2 brushes, but I believe I'm going to use just the larger one. I'm excited because anybody got time for £20 lashes? I got this really bad habit. I take my lashes off and I lose them. I literally wear my lashes once and I just can't be doing this, man. So if this works, this is going to be like a revelation for me. I'm going to stock up on AliExpress lashes. I don't care. This is the brush, these are the lashes, and apparently it works best on a dry brush. So this is the dry brush. I'm going to start with the one to the bottom, which are probably my favorite. So let's try this. Okay, so this is what we're doing. I've got the spoolie in this hand and I'm gonna brush it slowly. So I believe this is the technique. Correct me if I'm wrong, people, but so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try it on one side of each pair so I can compare it. I mean, already you can see that it's lifting, so I'm getting 3D vibes. But not quite to my liking yet. So let's see what happens. Okay, so if you look closely, you might be able to see the difference between the left and the right. I started off quite gently, but then nothing was really happening, so I had to put my back into it a bit more. Look what I done, guys. No, look what I done. Look from the side. I think I went a bit overboard because it's gone all tangly and I actually lost some hair. Oops, that's not what you want to do. Alright guys, so after 20 minutes, these are my results. You can see I worked on the right side and the left side is how it came. I kind of went a little bit too hard over here and it's kind of frayed the edges and now they're like all bent out of shape. I mean, I don't mind too much because no one has straight lashes anyway. I feel like it looks more real. I probably will go over it with some mascara or something and try it lay it down. I also lost some lashes, RIP to the lashes that were lost in this procedure. I think it works pretty well. Like, I'm quite happy with the results. I would say make sure you start off gently because I was a little bit harsh. I also would say that it's better to use the spoolie near the top of the lashes as opposed to the bottom of the lashes, because I guess that would make it fray more. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Comment, let me know if I did it right. Let me know if you tried it. How did it work? What did you find easy? What would you change? I will be uploading later on this week. For now, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys later.